real quick, I'm going to go over the power guard here. This one is, if you recall, it's this one here, and the saber's back. It's a relatively strong offensive position. You can get a lot of momentum, a lot of centrifugal force with the blade. That being said, as I said earlier, it's a slower position. It's easier to telegraph the line. Oftentimes with this one, as far as tactics go, your first attack is going to miss, or block, or be blocked, or be parried, or something. Keep going. This one favors a very Ataru-ish strategy. And as I get into a little bit later, the whole relentless strikes kind of mindset. So, if you come in and you come around this way, that may be blocked. This one's get blocked, but come back across, come back with a pommel, or if you're coming up here, you can come back down with the false edge. You can come across there and then come across. But again, it's going to favor it's going to favor a very Ataru-ish keep going momentum based approach. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to say as far as tactics go. If you discover that you need to start playing a defensive game, maybe you switch to your strong guard. Same thing here. Let me touch on real quick the Serenity Guard, hiding the blade here. Very, very similar in a practical sense to the Power Guard. You're gonna need a little bit more space. You're gonna need a little bit more time, a little bit more momentum. Oftentimes, for both the Power and the Serenity Guard, you're going to have to use something else to create an opening. I'll touch on this here in just a little bit. But you'll have to use something else to create an opening for one of these bigger attacks that is maybe a little bit more powerful, but they're also quite a bit slower. So that's the Power Guard, and we'll move on here.